Here it comes.
Canadian Pacific Railway decks one of its freight trains out in thousands and thousands of Christmas lights. Its boxcars decorated with bright and flashing reindeer, snowmen, and Christmas trees. But there's much more than just the amazing lights. Every year, performers like country singers Kira Isabella and Wes Mack and their band ride along, and at each and every stop will put on a show featuring Christmas favorites. But this holiday train has another purpose. At every stop, CP rail workers will deliver a check to help out food banks in the area. Plattsburgh, a check for $4,500 was given to Bruce Garcia with the JCEO, which runs dozens of food pantries in Clinton and Franklin County.
And we obviously thank you for your donations. Obviously, this is a huge event for JCEO. The Canadian Pacific Railway and their employees are absolutely fantastic. They surprise me every year with the amounts on the check, and it's just getting bigger, and you guys are awesome. We love you to death.
While many in the crowd brought donations that filled 3 trucks full of food. Garcia says the pantries serve about 3,000 families every month, and the donations will help feed them during the winter ahead. This light show and entertainment has become a way to thank the community for helping their neighbors during the holidays.
I think it's awesome. I think it's a great way to raise money and food for needy families, and it's wonderful.
And for kids like 8-year-old Ellie and her 5-year-old brother Roman, the gift of giving is celebrated in a special, memorable way.
I like the lights and the music, the colors and the music and the song.